All right, Toyota 4Runner. We're going to look through some forgotten maintenance here. Probably most overlooked maintenance item. All right, so we're on the passenger side here, and we're actually going to get underneath the 4Runner and take a look at drive shafts and the universal joints. All right, so here's the front drive shaft that goes to the front of the differential. And there's a grease fitting on that U-joint up front. So this one's pretty simple to get to, and as long as you don't have your four-wheel drive engaged, I'm just turning this front shaft with my right hand here back by the transfer case. So you can spin it around to get to the location of the grease fitting, and then that way you can grease it. Good idea too is to get all the grease off everything once this spins off. Alright, here is the rear part of that shaft going to the front of the transfer case, and there's a grease fitting there on the slip yoke, and then also there's going to be one on that universal joint that you're going to grease. So you got one in the front, two to the rear of the front shaft, so that's 3 grease zerks there. And now we'll look at the rear drive line. Alright, so we're looking at the rear drive shaft. This one also has the slip yoke and also the universal joint that can get greased. And this one won't move, so in order to get it to move, what I do is put the vehicle in neutral. I'm in the garage on a flat level surface, and then with my right foot I can push on the rear tire and it'll just rotate that right around so you can get it to line up. So you got 2 fittings there, and then if we look, go all the way to the back, same thing there again. There's going to be 1 grease fitting on that universal joint. You can do the same thing just by pushing on the tire there. You can kind of roll it, or you could jack up the rear of the vehicle to get the tires off the ground. You could do it that way as well.